Oh, very good day to you and welcome to Wes Quick Tips and Trick YouTube cooking channel. And today I am come up with a dish called fish moilee. So it is like uh, it's a dish original from the Portuguese people when they came to rule India. So and every place of India you will find the dish, especially in Goa and Kerala and Mumbai too. Like it's like East Indian, Goan, Kerala. All these people will make this dish. This is known as moilee, and it's mostly the main ingredients of this is coconut juice in this. Okay, so let's start this prawns moilee. So we need, and you can always also known as it like caldin too, because it's made out of coconut juice. So prawns moilee or prawns caldine either, but the original name is prawns moilee. Okay, so here it is. I have taken 1 kg of this prawns, nicely cleaned, and I've applied 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and salt to this. Now we will add little bit of red pepper to this, so red chili powder, so around like half of little bit of this in this. Salt is already there, and we will mix this together, and we'll put little bit of turmeric powder to this, again a pinch, and we'll mix this. So I had marinated with ginger garlic paste, salt for around 2 hours actually. The other ingredients what you need are, you need 2 chopped onions, okay, then you need 3 or 2 green chilies, slitted. One also you can use depending on, if you want spicy then you can add more. If you don't want spicy then just give it up, just add 1 also is fine. Then we need 2 cloves. This is a small of cinnamon stick, and I've taken 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste too. Then these are few curry leaves like 8 to 10. Then 2 of cardamoms of this white cardamom. I've taken around 6 cloves of garlic, 2 tomatoes, fine like this chopped, not very fine. Okay, so this is this. Then we need 2 teaspoon of it's like 1 tablespoon of oil. You can say 2 teaspoon of your size, whichever size. So I always use, like, it depends on each kitchen what sizes you have. Then this is 1 coconut, full coconut juice, homemade juice. How to make it, please refer my other videos. And this is after taking out the thick coconut juice, then the remaining is this thin coconut juice. So this is like thin coconut juice. So I've got 1 glass of this, and this is the thick version of coconut juice. See, the thick. So, and this is the thin. So then more I will be using is this turmeric, 1 teaspoon of this whole of turmeric. That's it, will go in my prawns moilee. Okay, so it's, if you go in Wikipedia on Google, you will come to know that it is originally from Goa, and then it was gone through all, wherever Portuguese went, then this dish was there. So in Goa, some of us, we know it as a prawns caldine too. Okay, prawns caldine or prawns moilee. So let's start doing of this. So we'll add our oil in this. I've used all the oil. Now we'll add our whole masala. we'll add our whole masala, that is our cloves, cardamom and cinnamon stick. Let it fry little while, and then we'll add our curry leaves in this. We'll add our garlics also, and now we'll add our onion to this. Let's fry this onion nicely. Kindly note that it is not prawns mole, okay? Mole is a separate dish. It is red in color and it is like a pickle, prawns pickle. So don't get confused in this. This is prawns moilee. Or you can also, if it is this, then prawns caldine you can say. So now we can add at this time ginger garlic paste and chilies. Now we'll add our half teaspoon of turmeric now, and half we'll add afterwards. Salt to taste. And you can check later if you need more salt or something. Now we'll add the thin version of coconut juice to this. And we'll add our prawns and tomato to this. So now we'll add our tomatoes to this, because prawns takes very quick to get cooked. And now we'll add the other half teaspoon of turmeric in this and mix well. So other half teaspoon of turmeric. We'll mix this all nicely. we don't want to overcook the prawns or anything. So now we'll cover this and cook for just for 3 minutes. Just for 3 minutes. So now we will add our thick version of coconut juice in this. Wow, so creamy, and see the color also is changed and it's like juicy. It looks so nice. So another 3 minutes we'll cook this and it's done. So it's very easy dish and tasty dish. So do try this dish in your home and let me know how it is. So I will taste little bit, and I'm tasting it. It is so tasty, so tasty. So I'm not adding any water to this because the thin version and the thick version of the juice will cooperate together and it will be nice. So I want a thick version curry of this. That is, you can have it with your rice or you can have it with a bread or rotis or whatever. So just see that you don't waste all these things. So because it is thick coconut juice. So here it is. My prawns are cooked. I don't want to overcook them, and it is ready to serve. My prawns moilee is ready to eat. I will say prawns moilee, prawns caldine, and it looks so nice, so tasty. The salt, everything is perfect, and the thickness is also. I'm happy with all these things. So hope you will enjoy this, and do let me know in comment box how it is. So thank you so much to all of my friends. Thank you.